Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup photos with Amazon Photos on Prime. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Photos app on your device. Sign in with your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Tap on the Photos tab located at the bottom of the screen. To upload photos, select the Upload button, usually found at the top right. Choose the photos you want to backup from your device's library. You can select multiple photos at once for easier uploading. After selecting, tap Upload to begin the backup process. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress indicator. Once uploaded, your photos are now securely stored in Amazon Photos. To access your photos later, return to the app and go to the Photos tab. You can also view your photos on the Amazon Photos website using your browser. For additional organization, consider creating albums by selecting the Albums tab. Tap Create Album and name it accordingly. Then, add photos to your new album from the available library. To ensure your photos are backed up automatically, enable the autosave feature in Settings. Access the settings by tapping the menu icon in the upper left corner. Turn on autosave to back up new photos automatically as you take them. Now your photos are safely backed up on Amazon Photos, and you can access them anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.